In this video, we're going to have a look at creating a floor-based object to insert into our house. So I'm going to create a rug to go in the living room by here. To do this, File and New Family, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the generic model floor-based. Click on that so that it automatically will connect to a floor. Okay, so that's opened up the usual views for the family. Now, quite simply, I'm going to do an extrusion. I'm going to set the depth of my extrusion to 10 millimeters at the thickness of our rug, and just draw a quick rectangle. Okay, now I usually like to center it on the axis, and also got to decide the size of your rug. So I'll do my rug 1800 long. Undo that. Let's try that again. There we go. Move the little icon to there first. I'll do it a meter wide. There we go. So there's the actual size of my rug. I've done the thickness of the rug. I'm now going to do the material. And in this, I'm going to want to create a new material and rename it to Rug 1, just in case you want multiple rugs. Okay, so my rug, I don't want it a grey colour like that. So this is obviously just for the generic model consistent colours view. So it's not too important because we will be swapping it to realistic when we actually do the... So I'll just swap it. There we go. That's fine. Appearance, again, I'll just change the colour there. And now the important part, your image. So I've already pre-downloaded an image and saved it. So just find rug 1, there we go. So I would recommend that you've also done the same. Find yourself an image of whatever it is, a rug in this instance, and save it as a picture. So you've got it ready. Now click on the little arrow by here and edit the image so we can now check the size of the pattern. All right. Now, at the moment, sample size is 304. I don't really want it as 304. I'm going to make it the actual size. So I'm just going to deselect that lock aspect ratio. So I want the width to be 1000, like I put. And I also want that to be 1800. There we go. So that's the actual size that I've drawn the rug. And say done. Okay. It's not glossy at all. So there we go, and it doesn't have any of that. Okay. So let's OK that. All right, so now I can press the big green tick, complete that. And now we want to, if you want to save the object, this would be a good opportunity to do a file, save as a family. Okay, and then save it wherever you are saving it. So rug 1, there we go. And save. And then we are ready to load this into the project. So now we go to an appropriate view and we can just see that it's automatically locking onto the floor by there. We can click on there, and hey presto, there is a rug for our dining room or lounge.